Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So let's get right into this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Geordie nail using Totally Dipp'd powders. A viewer DM'd me on Instagram and suggested that I try it, and I think it came out okay. Let me know what you think in the comments below. So I start by applying my ProDip Prep to dehydrate the nail. Next, I applied 3 layers of clear dip powder to my nail. I applied base to 3/4 of the nail and then I dipped into the clear dip powder. Then I applied base to the whole nail and then dipped into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nail and also to protect my natural nail from the color. This is also an optional step. Then I applied a few layers of Totally Dipp'd Embossy, which is this light pink dip powder. I'll be showing you all of the layers that I applied so you all can get an idea of how thick it needs to be to do the Geordie nail. However, don't make it too thick. I think I did a perfect amount of layers for this Geordie nail. I actually thought I didn't do enough, but in retrospect, I did enough layers. Next, I applied Activator to harden the nail. Now I'm using my drill bit to create an indentation into the nail. Y'all, I really don't understand this Geordie nail. Why dig into the nail to further build it back up with another color? I don't get the sense of it. I'm doing it and I still do not get it. Who came up with this thing and why? It's cute, but it makes no sense to me, to be honest. Also, what you guys are seeing there is not my actual skin or nail. It's actually the 3 layers of clear dip powder that I placed down. So do not come for me, okay guys? Now I'm using Activator, my 2 3D brushes, and Totally Dipp'd Serenity. So I just dipped the brush into the activator and picked up a bead of the blue dip powder and placed it onto the nail. Next, I'm using Rainbow Fish and I did the same. I applied it over the Serenity dip powder. I didn't like how that came out, so I just peeled it off and redid it with the other brush. Now I'm going to be separating some gold foil to apply to the nail. I'm going to be applying these foils around the glitter. At first I was using the Lilloran base glue and I just used the dotting tool to place the base glue on the nail and then placed the nail foil, but the nail foil kept sticking to the dotting tool. It wasn't really making sense. So I decided to use my Cherael top coat, which I'm also using as base glue. This base brush has a diagonal slant to it, so it would make it easier to apply because there's a point on the brush. However, the Lilloran brush doesn't have that. This will get the base to be neatly placed around the glitter. The other brush is too big, so application would not have been neat. So I just placed the foil around the glitter. This looks so good. It's a pity I had to encapsulate the nail because it just doesn't look as vibrant when it's encapsulated. Next, I encapsulated the glitter area first. So I applied the base in a patting motion because if I drag the base brush across the nail, it would move some of the glitter or foil. So I applied the base and then poured the clear dip powder. After I did 2 layers, I applied some activator to reduce the amount of bubbles on the nail. I did 1 more layer, I think, over the glitter only, and then I went ahead and did a few layers on the whole nail to create my apex and build the nail. Now I applied activator and waited for the nail to harden to begin my filing. I did this nail design really late at night, so I went to bed right after, so this clip right here looks brighter because I filed it in the morning time when I got up. This is after filing. Now I applied some Mother One's gel top coat to the nail and cured for 30 seconds. Then I apply cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nail, and this is the finished look. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!